welcome back to my channel once again, Jeanette's Lifestyle. Anyway, today I just wanted to share to you, we bought yesterday the booster seat of my second born, and now I am trying to unbox it. Yeah, because it's already her age that we need to change her seat. So it's the model, yeah, like that. Yeah, it's deluxe harnessed booster seat. Yes. It's okay, sweetie. So, because here in Europe, kids needs to have a proper seat in the car. After the age 1, 2, or 3 years old, it's a baby. What is it? Paula, can you please hold this, Rowan? Just this. 1 to 2, 3 years old have a baby seat, car seat, and now just hold this cartoon. Or this one. Or just this. And if it's already 4 years old, your kids, you need to change the car seat, yeah, into a proper one. So you see,
even a nice one. That's just a boost. That's like the same.
it's already from group 1 to 3. I mean, this is from 9 to 18 kilos, yeah. Yeah, something like that looks like. Yeah, so this. So it's her foot. Today we'll go to Tesco shop, and it's for, she will try to use this today. So guys, this is how it looks like. It has 2 parts, yeah. This one is for
So pretty.
the high back, yes.
So
it high
pretty.
back. Yeah. And then the second one, this is the booster seat.
So pretty.
Yeah. So at the age of 9 years old, she can use this already, this part only, yeah.
Wow.
And this one, it's time for her to take it off.
Pretty, Bobby.
Yeah, in the car. Yeah.
So pretty.
But for now, she needs to have this high back booster. Yeah, looks like this. And at the age of 9 to 10, from 9, it will take off this. And this is the one left she will use from 9 years old. Yeah, until 12, something like that, or 11. Yeah. So it comprised 2 parts.
Hey, like this?
Yes, like that. So we need to put it. Yeah, so
Like that?
yeah, this is how it looks like. Yeah, but it is shown in the box. Yeah, so thank you for watching, guys, once again, and just letting you know about the booster seat of my second born. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in my next video. It's time for me to say bye for now. Hello guys, so I just want to share to you that this is the second car seat of my second born. Actually, it's just a comparison between her second and the new one, yeah, third stage. Because on the first stage they have a small one, which is the for the baby, yeah, intended. And of course this is the second car seat, which is already, if your kid is already from or let's say stage 2, like from 2 years old to 4, yeah, something like that, yes. And so we decided to change it already because she's already in age 3 bracket, which is from here, from 4 years old, because it has already a so-called booster seat, yeah. That's why we unboxed this one and we bought it yesterday, yeah. So as what I've said before, this is intended for like from 4 years old to 9 or 10, something like that. If it's from 4 years old, you need to put this one, the high back, yeah, because this one is comprises of 2 parts, the high back. But for until 6, I think, yeah, you can use this. And from 7 to 9 or 10, you need to take off this high back, and it's time for already to leave this one, the booster seat, yeah, the second part only, yeah. So that's the difference between this high back with booster seat, and this one, the second seat, yeah, which is intended only from 2 to 3 years old, yeah, something like that, yeah. So that's only for now, for today, and hope I gave you some tips about it, yeah, because in Europe it is like that. This is always recommended for us to use the car seat in different age level, especially if you are traveling, yeah, because if you are not following the rules here, of course you need to pay the said penalty. Not like in our country, Philippines, nobody cares to use the car seat. Okay, so thank you for watching once again, and hope to see you next time in my next video. So it's time for me to say bye for now.